huge part of a track day is tires. So I'm here at the Kumho tire warehouse. It's actually really close by to the Garage Life shop. So I am here, I'm gonna pick up some tires. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've never actually seen these in person, but these are the crazy colored smoke tires by Kumho. These are the red ones. That is so cool. I literally just showed you those red tires, and I had no idea, but those are mine. They hooked it up with the colored smoke tires. They had some left over from an event they did. That is so freaking cool. I'm gonna have to get new rims for them because they are a lot bigger. I can't believe those are mine. That is so amazing. This is my palette of tires. It's going to be interesting to see how many I can actually fit in my truck because I'm not sure I can fit all of those. Tire in here. What? All of them! This is a miracle! And we even got some in here. Bam! I am headed back to Garage Life. I have 28 tires in this truck right now. Thank you so much, Kumho Tires USA. I am so excited to hit the track and start testing these tires out. I'm actually going to be doing some testing specifically for Kumho with this compound for drifting applications. So I'm so excited! Alright, so I just got to the shop and I also have a surprise for DK. It is right here. I've been wanting to hook DK up with a new helmet for a long time. You know, he's competing in the Top Drift series. He's also competing in the new Drift League that's at Irwindale, and he's been using an old helmet, and I'm like, dude, you gotta protect your brain. So I called my friends up at Arai Helmets, and they hooked it up. They sent over one of their helmets. It's actually the same model that I'm using, and I'm gonna give it to DK. I'm so excited to give it to him. It's a surprise though, so come on. DK! I have a surprise for you.
What? No way.
I have a surprise.
What?
Can you guess what it is? Whoa, bam!
What the? What
New helmet from Arai!
What did you do?
It's a surprise!
What
Open it, open it, open it!
Why did you do that?
Because you need to protect your brain.
What?
All the RX-7s in the world need you to have a good brain.
Oh
So you can tune them all.
Hold on, my hands are dirty right now.
It's okay.
Man, it's a Rye helmet? What the?
Yes, it's the same one that I have. It's a GP5W. So what I love, this is a newer one, and what I love about this helmet is that the viewing out of it is wider than their normal ones.
No way.
So I've used it this year in the monster truck, and it is way better. So you get a way better vision, like in your peripheral and everything. The helmet! Yay! I don't even know what other helmet you have, but I just knew it needed to be replaced.
Oh my god.
I know you don't want to touch it, your hands are dirty. Alright, moment of truth.
Oh my god.
Does it fit? Does it fit?
What have you done?
What have I done?
What have you done? I don't know how you did that, but what have you done?
Say thank you, Arai. You're the best ever.
Alright, you're the best.
Ooh, we got some stickers in here. Oh snap. Oh snap.
Oh man.
It's a freshie.
Wow.
Alright, does it fit? Now you're stuck in it. Radar racing. Also, big shout out to BURNOUT. They sent me one of their boxes and it had this amazing shirt in it. It's an FC. I love it. Thank you, BURNOUT. If you have a rotary car or you're an RX-7 fan, anything, check them out. So you already took off the tires and the tie rods are disconnected. Bushings are already off. DK is awesome and got a head start. So this is almost good to go, and then the FC one will be really easy. Yeah. Because it's all basically off now. What? Are these Mazda tricks?
I think so, yeah, they look like it.
No way. You think these are already Mazda tricks, huh?
Yeah.
What? That's like finding, you know when you find $20 in your pocket and like you just you're just so happy the rest of the day as you found this money? This is already like maybe a Mazda tricks tie rod. That's awesome. So that means I have spares. Yay. So we just have to disconnect it there and then both the lines here and we can pull it out, right?
Yeah. I'm just trying to see the fastest way to do this. Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Alright, so we are trying to get the steering linkage right back there. It's kind of gonna be a pain in the ass. I thought this would be a lot easier to get to. Ah, yes, success. Alright, we are disconnected. Alright, so after talking with DK, I think the game plan now is to not only swap the power steering rack for the one that's on this car, but also just go ahead and take the pump too, just because we can't really tell if my pump might be bad. Also don't want to risk it being bad and being at the track tomorrow. So it's just a safer bet to go ahead and swap for his pump. He has an S4 pump and I have an S5 on mine. He said he likes S4 ones a little more. They're a little less complicated and maybe last a little longer. So just not gonna take the risk. I'm gonna completely swap with his power steering rack and just go ahead and swap the pump too. I'm gonna go ahead and steal this power steering rack. I'm just gonna take this nut off right here, get the tie rod loose, come over here again like we did in my car. You can actually see it better here. Just disconnect this linkage here. After I disconnect all that and take out a few of the bolts that are underneath here. So there's some bolts right there. Gotta take out right here. And I think that might be it. So let's just get started. Now that that's disconnected, I just have to go over to where the steering linkage is and take the two bolts off that are there, and then take the hose off that's connected to the pump and we'll be good. Almost there. I'm getting my camera so dirty right now, but I'm gonna show you guys. Got the bolt off here, got the bolt off there. I think we're good. Everything's disconnected now. Just gotta pull it out.
Assembly.
Yay! Got the whole assembly. Pump, power steering lines, rack, and more lines. I'm just gonna steal the whole thing, but now we're gonna clean it. So it's all pretty. Well, once the rack moves, it should be able to fit, because then all that space will open up.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
We just gotta do it rack first, and then someone like guides that down, which might be a little difficult, but...
And worst comes to worst, we'll just unscrew those.
Never.
They were that tight on there? They didn't want to turn?
Yeah. It was rounding off before it was even starting to get loose.
No way. Damn. Okay. All right.
All right, let's go for it. We can't fit everything through here with the lines on, so we're trying to take off the lines, and it's being incredibly difficult. Really, really hard. We couldn't take the hard lines off, so we just ended up moving the radiator up so we have enough space to pull the whole assembly out.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Way better now.
Pressure wash it, it's not blown. Yeah, well, it's gonna get real.
Oh my god. I need like a million baths now. That was way harder than I feel like it should have been. I don't know if the person I got this from, this kind of looked like it was more angled. So maybe they just angled the radiator more, and that's why it was a little more difficult to get stuff in and out of there. But it's out now. The one thing that might be an issue is that the bushings for the power steering rack, the one off DK's FC, one of the bushings is good, one of them is just disintegrated. And then off of mine, we just checked and there's only one good bushing and the other one is also disintegrated. So we're just gonna use the best ones and hope it's okay, because we already called around and we cannot get any bushings this last minute. So hopefully something works. This is not gonna work. I think mine's better than this. This is the one off of DK's FC.
Horizon?
And then this is mine. Yeah, mine's better.
You can still slay with it.
I should use this one.
Yeah.
Maybe like tape this part a little bit. I don't know. It's gonna be a little ghetto, but it's so. This is good though.
Oh yeah, that's better than nothing.
Yeah. This is the driver's side one, and this is good. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I think my driver's side one is better than this one, so we'll use mine. Bushing surgery. Hopefully this works.
Can we leave this on?
I feel like putting this back in is gonna be easier though. Now that the radiator's moved, and then this one has way less crap on it. The other one had a bunch of wires and like.
Yeah, this one's better because the other one's too complicated.
Yeah, I think this one's gonna be.
This one feels better for drifting too.
Sweet.
Right, let's go for it.
Hopefully this holds up. I think it will.
Tape actually helped because look, it's clamping the fuck out of it now. Yeah. See what?
Yeah, versus it like spreading and disintegrating even more.
So electrical tape.
Aha! Electrical tape. Success. Success. The rack is in. All the bolts are in. Tie rods are in. DK made like a special cotter pin replacement out of safety wire. I guess they do this in a lot of other racing, so instead of a cotter pin, we're just using some safety wire because I don't have a cotter pin right now. Just making what I got work for now. Alright, sun is about to go down. We got power steering rack back in, tires are mounted, they are on the car right now. They're aired up, torqued, and we tightened everything up, nut and bolt checked everything. We actually realized that a few bolts that went into the turbo were loose, so I think the car's gonna run a lot better now. So we're gonna really quick go do some street tuning with DK. I just checked and see how the tune is doing on the car, see how it's running now. We're gonna really quick take the car out, make sure it's good to go, and we should be set.
A few moments later.
Wake up, little motor. Well, the one good thing about bad spark plugs is now I get racing ones.
Oh yeah, they're foul.
Upgrade. Woo! Yeah, those are bad. All right, well, out with these and in with the racing ones. These ones are literally so bad. Look at that. They're just dripping. I didn't get it on camera, but those new spark plugs, it started up first try. Tuning time. Now DK's gonna work his magic.
I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down.